Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create and receive custom notifications and use a visual KPI counter for Skool, like whenever you get a new paid member. So, PingBell is a web and mobile application that allows you to create and receive these custom notifications, and PingBell works with thousands of websites and apps. This includes Skool. So, let's just get right into it. First, create your free account at pingbell.io to get started. So, step 1 of this process is going to be creating your first ping bell. We can do this by hitting the button in the middle of the screen. Now, let's set a title and description of the ping bell. This will be shown whenever you do receive a notification from the app, as well as the text within the celebration page, which we'll go over later. Alright, next up we'll be selecting the custom notification sound you would like your phone to make each time you receive the notification. There are a bunch of sounds to choose from, so be sure to preview each one by clicking on it. Being able to set a custom notification sound is extremely useful since you'll be able to tell what notification you're receiving without even having to look at your phone or computer. Lastly, you can invite other users to receive this notification by adding either their email address or PingBell username to this box. If the user does not already have a PingBell account, they'll just receive an email guiding them to sign up. Sharing your PingBell notifications is a really effective way to keep your entire team in the loop in real time whenever important KPI events happen. And there we have it, our first ever PingBell. If you ever want to create a new one, just go ahead and hit the bell icon at the bottom right of the screen to do so, or if you want to edit the one we just created, hit the 3 dots to the right side of it and hit edit. So now you have your PingBell set up, let's go over setting up the trigger for Skool. This should only take a few minutes, and for each PingBell, you only have to do this process once. To do this, we'll be using a free application and website called Zapier. Simply log into your Zapier account, and we're going to go to the top left and hit create, and then hit Zaps. For our first option, the trigger, we'll just click on this and search for Skool. Now on the right side, we need to choose the event that we want to be notified about. We can choose a new paid member. Now we'll hit continue, and it's going to ask us to connect our account. Hit the sign in button, and you'll see a page just like this pop up. We need to find our Skool API key and also our group URL. To find these, log into your Skool's community page and go to settings. Now, on the left side, we'll go to plugins, and for Zapier integration, we'll hit edit. We can turn this on and hit copy for our hidden API key. Now we'll go back to this box and paste that API key within this field. Now we just need our group URL. We can find our group URL at the top of our web page and copy it and paste it within the box. Now we'll hit continue again, and we just need to test our trigger. Now we need to click on action, and for this, we're going to search up for PingBell. Now on the right side, we need to choose an event, which is just going to be notifying your PingBell. When we hit continue, we'll need to find our API key for PingBell. To find this, go to the PingBell homepage and go to the top right and click on your user icon. Then hit settings, and you can see our API key right here. We can just click to copy it. Now just paste that API key within this box. Now just hit continue, and for action, we just need to choose the specific PingBell that we just created for Skool. Hit continue once more, and we can test our step here. Lastly, don't forget to hit publish at the bottom right. Sweet, now we have our PingBell set up. So now let's go over setting up PingBell's celebration page. This is the page that will display a custom counter for your Skool new member notifications. So within the web app on your PingBell homepage, you will see a celebration icon next to each PingBell. Click this and you'll be taken to the celebration page. To access the customizable settings, just hover your mouse to the right side of the screen to reveal the hidden menu. First and foremost, we can enable and disable the visual counter by going to Counter and setting it to active or inactive. Now let's style how the text and message will appear. We can select 3 different types of messages when the ping bell is notified. Option 1 is a static message, which means the title you gave your ping bell will always be displayed. Choosing this option is common among streamers and companies that may want to display multiple counters side by side. The second option is a disappearing message. This will last on screen for a few seconds whenever your ping bell is notified. And the third option is a disappearing bubble, which, like the disappearing message, will also last on screen for a few seconds, however it looks like a web app notification. Alright, next up, let's select our font size and type. We can choose our font size from a variety of options, and we can search for any font that is included within Google's fonts here. Finally, we can set the colors to our page. First, let's go ahead and select our background color, our font color, our counter color, and our counter text color. You can see for each of these we'll have access to a robust color wheel, so you can truly pick any color to fit your brand. Now just hit save. And whenever your ping bell is pinged, a fireworks animation will go off, the counter will go up, and if you have the disappearing message or bubble, they'll last on screen for a few seconds. The very last option allows you to determine the starting point of the counter. This allows you to accurately show the absolute number of actions your business has logged in its entire lifetime. For example, if your business has already logged 500 new paid members on Skool, we can just input 500 here. Once we hit save, it will be reflected onto the counter. So there we have it, our own visual counter for new Skool paid member notifications. Another great feature about Ping Bell is we can see our analytics for every single Ping Bell by clicking the graph icon next to each one. At the top, we can choose to see the past 24 hours, past 7 days, or past 30 days. This is a great tool for keeping an eye on specific KPIs. So now you can utilize Ping Bell's custom notifications and KPI counter with Skool. Ping Bell makes it possible to receive notifications for any KPI from thousands of websites and apps. Make sure to sign up for your free account at pingbell.io to get started. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos.